How to delete your TikTok search history. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up TikTok on a device. Now tap on the search icon at the top right corner. Now to clear the search history, simply tap on the cross icon next to the history. Now to clear the previous history, simply go back, tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now go to settings and privacy. Now tap on activity center. Now tap on search history. Now tap on select at the top right corner. Now select the search history you want to delete. If you want to select all of them, tap on select all search history at the bottom left corner. Now once you're done, simply tap on delete all. Again tap on delete. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.